Away. The metal is not going to bend the way this cardboard is. You can pause it, Jack.
I don't think I've ever used this on sheet metal, so we'll see how it goes. I've used it on thicker metal. It might be a little crazy with sheet metal. And something's not plugged in.
What?
It's a little noisy. Here, pause it. Come around here. And then I'm going to cut away a lot of this rust. We have to cut a piece for there. This piece in here fits in here nicely. Come right here to the bottom. I'm trying to make to where this will all be nice. Then obviously I'm going to come back with Bondo once I cut away all the old nasty stuff. Alright, that's all. I'm really going to try to make this quick and just wrap this video up. But I finally got the wheels off of this thing. And it's really not bad up under here. It's a little rusty from sitting, like on the calipers, or somebody was I can't speak. Somebody was blowing the grass clippings up under there, so it's on net brakes. The only real problem with this thing is that someone sprayed undercoating, some kind of like weird undercoating. Let me see if I can show you here. Can't really see it, but it's all flaking off. But basically today I got a bunch of metal cut. Everywhere that I needed to add metal, I did. And tomorrow, I would have been welding today, but I actually realized we were out of welding wire. It's the old Mino. Yeah, so, whoop, what happened? Yeah, I lost my light there for a second, but yeah, so it was just a little update video on how the Jeep's going. I'm pretty happy with it. I took this cover off today and it was all duct tape wrapped around the padding, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. But that's it, guys. Thanks for following along.